Just gonna go ahead and do a quick cold start with the new exhaust, just since I haven't really recorded it. And I'd like to have a decent difference between the stock and with the short ram on. Except for again, I keep forgetting I've disconnected my battery. Okay, now try that again. There's that. Like I said, it's not too much different from the stock exhaust overall. A little bit noisier, a little bit deeper, but it's not a huge difference. I mean, so far I like it. It sounds better than the stock exhaust, in my opinion, but anyway, we'll go ahead and do some other stuff here. Next task will be to pull off the stock airbox, put on that short ram, because race car parts. So, gotta undo this guy, and this guy, and this guy here, and then there's a hose down here, right there on the tip of that. Put the screwdriver down, flashlight on. That guy right there that I stuck that little rubber cap on connects to that hose right there, connects to the bottom of the airbox, and then we'll go from there. So as you can see, I might have got a little carried away without updating you guys, but as we were doing, I was just in here, and you've got to unbolt this guy right here from the back of the airbox, cap that. It helps if you pull the ECU tube out, if you can. It's kind of a pain, but it helps. And all I gotta do is tighten this down, move this belt up here and tighten it down, and then put the MAF back in and find a place for this guy to hang out, since it usually hangs out on the back of the stock airbox, but it no longer does. All of this hosing and stuff is for the butterfly valve. Don't need it. Who knows if this will throw a check engine light? If it does, I don't really care. But yeah. We'll go ahead and finish putting this together and fire it up. Well, a little finagling. We've got a nice solid short ram intake. I don't like cold air intakes because it rains here too much. And we'll get hydro-locked real quick like. So, yeah. That's that. Just got a couple other things I gotta route here. And we will be good to go for a quick fire up. Alright, well, go ahead and fire it up and see how she sounds. Hopefully we don't get a check engine light. Well, so far so good. Looks like no check engine light. And throttle response is pretty nice. Definitely sounds better, which is very nice. You can definitely hear it on shutdown. Well, pretty cool. That's it for now. Always got more work to be done, but this has been fun. It's my first performance part, as it were. Not that it's much of a performance part, doesn't do a ton, but I like it better than the stock Airbox because I bet it weighs less.